guys, another day, another vlog. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Motor City, sa Autodrome. So meron kaming outing ng aming grupo. So magka-karting kami, kaya yung damit ko ngayon naka-karting na, oh. So yeah. So from meron from the office. So ayan na yung napakainit na 50 degrees Celsius. Nandito kami ngayon. So ayan ang aming bus papunta sa place. Nagpe-prepare ng lahat. Ayan, Nissan. Dito kami sa Sharjah. Papunta kami doon sa Sport City ba yun? Sport City pala, hindi Motor City. Okay, see you later. So yan na ang bus. Sasakay na kami. Napakainit. Hi! Hi! O, dyan na lang. So, ayan. Wala pang iba. Kami pa lang. Ayan, mag-hi ka muna, Glessy. Hi! Si Roda wala. O, ayan, na-miss mo. Umuwi kasi ng Pinas. Kami lang. So guys, we're on our way now. Papunta na kami si Akram. Diba? Ayan, on our way. Pupunta na kami doon. Hindi lang klaro kasi maliwanag. Yung iba naglalaro sila, sasayaw-sayaw. Oh. Ang iba borlogs muna ngayon. So mga 45 minutes din naman ang biyahe papunta doon. See you later. So guys, we have arrived Dubai Cart Dome. Ayan. So nahirapan pa kami pumasok kasi walang parking. I mean, hindi kami makapasok kasi may pinipindot na hindi nag-o-open. So ayan ang Cart Dome. See you sa loob. So ayan. Hello Zainab.
Pictures inside, yes. It's very hot.
Yeah, so ayan, welcome to Dubai Cart Dome. Pasok na kami. Reception area. Wow. So nakarating na kami. Hindi namin alam kung anong sunod na mangyayari. So dito ka maglalagin. Teka, email. Gawa ka ng profile. Okay, tingnan natin kung paano gawin ito mamaya. So yan ang mga cart. Ito yung outdoor karting. Pero of course, hindi kami mag-outdoor karting kasi mainit. 50 degrees ngayon sa Dubai. So, not possible. Ayan. Mainit siya talaga. Diba? Ganda. So, ayan na lahat ng mga kasama. Ang iba wala pa dito kasi hahabol sila. So guys, mali pala yung pinagkuhanan sa amin. Babaan. So outdoor pala yun. So ito, balik kami sa sasakyan kasi indoor. Indoor dapat sa other na building. Okay, see you. So guys, ito talagang totoo. Dito na tayo sa Dubai Cart Dome Indoor Circuit. So kanina outdoor yung kanina, kaya wala kami. So we're here now. Register? Hi!
How are you?
Yeah, we're register. Ayan, si Kuya. Ha? Magka-cart kami.
First time, finish.
Oo.
This is grouping already, blue. Yeah.
So ayan, mag-register muna tayo dito sa kanilang registration booth. Tapos lagyan tayo ng mga...
first time here, sir?
Opo.
Register muna po sa monitor.
Ha? Mag-register pa muna sa monitor. Okay. Punta ka muna dito. Gra-register ka. How do you register, Hashim?
Easily, you put your Emirates ID number here.
Emirates ID passport, it's
Or
okay?
passport, yes. Anything you like.
Yeah, me, I remember my passport. But I will not going to take that because that's confidential. Okay, so, lagay mo lang Emirates ID or passport, so okay ka na. So guys, para hindi na kayo pumila doon sa kiosk, pwede din dito, scan nyo lang to. So, lalabas to. Ayan. So, fill in lang yung information nyo and then, mas madali, tapos na. Okay? Tapos, proceed tayo dito na side. Ayan. So, yan. Si Kuya na yung next kasi tapos tayo mag-register. Nag-register ako dun sa may online.
It's fine.
Doon sa may
Okay na.
QR code.
Yes.
So, tapos
fine. It's up to you.
ipirma
It's
na
optional.
nalagay ng pangalan ni Hashim. Okay?
I-
Tapos after noon, punta ka na doon. Sila magbabayad, hindi ako. Ayan. So guys, after doon sa counter ni ate kanina, so dito na tayo sa briefing room. Ay, may naka-uniform na pala. Ayan. See? And you? No? You're done with briefing?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Briefing now.
Briefing area. So this is for men. This is briefing. So this one is pantying. For ladies.
Yeah, ladies don't get briefed. They don't understand.
Yeah. So that is the
That's a sin.
changing room,
Changing room.
lockers.
And here.
Okay. Yeah. So ayan ang briefing room nila. So ayan ang cart. So ito, please do not sit here. So ayan. So kanya nila di-discuss. So may training dito mamaya, madilim pa. Kasi mayroong projector. So guys, we have started.
Okay. Welcome to the Baikatra. My name is Abhijit. I am track coordinator here.
So guys, ayan.
You check your number?
Ha?
You check your number?
I did not check
Push
yet. Where?
inside.
Inside.
Here.
Here, to check the number pala. Jason, number 50. Ayan, look. Number 50.
Why are you behind me?
Yeah. And number 50. Glessy, 43. Number 50. Number 43 ka. Number 50 ako. So, ayan. So, ready ng init. So, ayan ako. Dito ako. So, ayan ako. Ready na to rumble. See you later. So, ayan guys. Start na kami. Yan ang number ko. 50. Ayan. Done. Now it's our turn. And here. It's good? Under na. Dito na pala mag-drive eh. I'm dead. Basang-basa ako. Ha? It's your turn? Okay. Good luck. You know, this is the one. This is the one who is always overtaking me. I can see. It's you. It's exciting, but it's very hard. That's why I don't want to drive. Your turn?
Yeah.
Okay. See you.
Just came back from laser.
Okay. It's nice there.
So cool.
Okay. Toys to you. How about you? tired. See you. So guys, ang next natin is laser light. Dito sa mezzanine floor kami ngayon. So ayan. Ang laser light daw. Nasaan na bang laser light? Saan bang laser light dito? Laser drone. Dito. Ha? Laser drone. Hello. Kumusta kayong lahat? Green. Laser drone, this one? Oh. Oh. Hi. Laser drone. Drone. So ano naman gagawin namin dito? Ganun lang, magbabarilan kami. Tapos, yun. Ganun lang. Iya ka rin?
Sensor, cover, then shoot. Without your handgun will not work. Okay? Deactivation time 5 seconds. When you get shot, wait for 5 seconds. Start again. 15 minutes. No need to reload. Unlimited shots. Most points front side. Enemy of the jacket 200. Back side 150 on gun. That's it. Music start, game start, music stop, game stop. Good?
Okay. Okay. Here. They're here. You're dead. Not yet. You're dead again. Dead again. Dead.
Oh my god.
How many scores I have? Are we done? I got a lot.
Karim. We are
You're dead. I'm dead. Kamari suhiting. Purito te. Done. I killed a lot.
What's your gun name?
Jason.
No, gun. Your gun name.
Green. What is the name here?
Check. Press your discover the sensor and check the screen. Check the screen. This screen, small screen there.
Olympia.
Just wait. Green are winning.
Because I killed a lot.
You're number 1.
See, I told you. Killed a lot. Just wait. Rest. It will not work. Oh, that was so nice. I killed a lot. My name Olympia. Here. And I'm number 1 there, Olympia. I am number 1, Olympia.
What is the
Yeah.
Paragon.
Green winner.
Where are the
I'm so
guys, Jackies, please.
Thank you. So guys, ito yung mga room nila, training room. Ito yung video. Ayan. Ganda. Dito sa labas, yung ayan. Ayan, wala na pala naglalaro. Gusto mong manood ng nagka-card dito. Ayan. Yan yung card. See? Diyan kami kanina. Ang init. Grabe. Ang balcony. So, syempre, pagkatapos namin mapagod, kakain kami. So, itong pagkain namin ngayon. Tinapay lang, walang kanin. So, ayan. Dubai Autodrome. Lapang-lapang. So, ayan, kami lahat. So, nag-rest ng iba. Pagod-pagod na. So, ayan. Okay.